Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Aloha app with good settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we click on Aloha app, sorry not here. If we go to Aloha app as you see and we click. In this page of app info we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.